Okay, so according to first probability, both the DNA strands are involved in the transcription. Because of that, two different mRNA molecules produced. mRNA molecule 1 codes for protein 1. mRNA molecule 2 codes for protein 2. So one segment of DNA codes for two different proteins, making genetic transfer mechanism, inheritance mechanism, making complicated. So as a transfer of genetic information was complicated by producing two different proteins, this probability is not acceptable at the time of transcription that accounts for formation of a protein. So universally, this is not acceptable. It is not existing. Second probability, or probability 2. Second probability. Here also, according to second probability, both the DNA strands in this particular region separated from each other. This one is a 3 to 5. This one is a 5 to 3. Two DNA strands. So these are the DNA strands. Like these two. Now transcription. Okay, so here also, because of transcription, mRNA 1, 2, 5 to 3, 3 to 5 produced. Two mRNAs. So according to second probability, the given second probability, these two are complementary. Complementarity does not mean identical. It is not similarity. Complementarity means pairing feasibility. Okay, so these two, as these two are coming from two different strands of one DNA molecule at one particular region, definitely nucleotides present in these two mRNA molecules are complementary. Okay, so because of complementarity, these two are hybridized. Hybridized means going to associated with each other. Hybridized. Hybridized means both are associated with each other. 5 to 3. Second strand 3 to 5. Establishment of hydrogen bonds between these two mRNA strands. Now this is double-stranded mRNA molecule. So if these two are associated, the product is a double-stranded mRNA molecule. Double-stranded mRNA molecule is not suitable for translation. There will be no association of a ribosome with a double-stranded mRNA. Always mRNA is means mRNA is suitable for translation to synthesize a protein. That must be in single-stranded condition only. All the nucleotides present on that mRNA must be in unpaired condition. Then only ribosome binds with that mRNA. But what about this mRNA? Double-stranded mRNA, not suitable for translation. No association of a ribosome with this. So here, translation failed. Futile or fertile waste. Okay, so there is no translation. So no protein. No translation means no protein. So here mRNA is silenced. mRNA is silenced. mRNA is silenced. Silenced means no translation, no protein formation. So this type of event is possible at the time of defense, cellular defense. This is actually called as RNAi, RNA interference, RNA interference, RNA interference. One mRNA molecule, one strand is interfering with the other strand. So ultimately, these two strands are converted into double-stranded mRNA. So here mRNA is silenced because of double-stranded condition. This condition is possible because of RNA interference. So RNA interference is present in all eukaryotes. That is part of a cellular defense mechanism to control a disease caused by a microbe. Our DNA is able to produce mRNA complementary to the mRNA of pathogen. So the mRNA coming from our body, for example, mRNA coming from our body is able to silence mRNA of a pathogen. Now, what about the mRNA of pathogen not able to produce a protein? So this is possible at the time of defense only, cellular defense to control a disease. And we will study this probability at the time of biotechnology only, applications of biotechnology. We'll see that one there. So according to this probability, there is no formation of protein and this is not existing. So definitely, according to probability 1 and 2, definitely only one strand is involved, but not two strands involved. If two strands are involved, what about the fate of so-called one? Two mRNAs are produced, two different proteins. This is not existing. Reason, genetic mechanism, inheritance mechanism is complicated. And this is possible under certain conditions only. To protect concerned organism, the DNA is able to produce are able to develop RNA interference, not to produce a protein. So according to these two probabilities, out of two strands, only one strand is involved. Now the question is, okay, out of two strands, one is involved. If one is involved, if that is true, how much part of that strand is involved? Totally involved? Some part involved? These are the questions. Next question. First question was, out of two strands, how many are involved? In the case of DNA replication, both are involved. But here, only one is involved. Why not two? Answer is very simple. If two are involved, this is a situation or scenario. Only one is involved. If one is involved, how much part is involved? Totally involved? Only some part involved? If some part is involved, what is the name of that part? Okay, so only one strand is involved. Out of that strand, only some part is involved. Okay, so this question creating necessity to create a boundary or a limitation that depicts the part of a single strand that would be transcribed to synthesize a protein. Okay, so the question is, out of two strands, how many are involved? One is involved. If one is involved, how much part is involved? Only some part is involved. What is the name of that part? Yes, to answer that one. So this question, if one is involved, how much part is involved? Creating necessity to demarcate, to provide a boundary to that part of DNA, which would be transcribed at the time of transcription to produce a protein. Okay, for that one word was given, that is transcription unit. What is a transcription unit? Okay, so first question is, out of two strands, how many are involved? One is involved. Why not two strands? This is the answer. If one is involved, how much part is involved? Some part.